Look up into the night sky. Above us stretches a vast, endless canvas scattered with points of light that have inspired wonder for as long as humans have gazed upward. Among the countless points of light, some are not stars at all. They are worlds, planets orbiting our sun, each with its own story to tell. One of them, Saturn, has captured our imagination like no other. Its presence in the sky is unmistakable, a silent guardian watching over us from millions of miles away. Saturn is the sixth planet from our sun, a gas giant of immense scale and breathtaking beauty. Its size dwarfs Earth and its atmosphere swirls with storms larger than our entire planet. Its famous rings are a shimmering disk of countless pieces of ice and rock, reflecting sunlight and making Saturn one of the brightest objects in our cosmic neighborhood. These rings stretch out for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, delicate yet enduring. For centuries, Saturn appeared as a simple point of light, its golden hue setting it apart, a beacon in the darkness, hinting at secrets waiting to be uncovered. The true nature of this world was hidden, waiting for our curiosity to build the tools to look closer. Early astronomers could only dream of what lay beyond their limited view. When we finally pointed telescopes toward it, Saturn revealed strange appendages, mysteries that deepened its allure. The discovery of its rings was a revelation, sparking debates and fascination across generations. It challenged our understanding of what a planet could be, hinting at the solar system's variety and wonder. Saturn's unique features set it apart from every other world we knew. Today, thanks to robotic explorers, we see Saturn in stunning detail, subtle bands of clouds, intricate rings, and a world of dynamic beauty. The Cassini mission in particular has transformed our view, revealing Saturn as a living, changing planet. Saturn is not just a planet, it's a miniature solar system, a laboratory for understanding how planets form and evolve. Its dozens of moons, each unique, orbit within a complex gravitational dance. Its rings and moons create a complex, ever-changing system. The interactions between them shape the environment around Saturn, offering clues to the history of our solar system. The journey to understand Saturn is a story of human ingenuity and our relentless desire to explore. Each mission, each observation brings us closer to unraveling its mysteries. Each new discovery reveals more about the majesty of the universe. Saturn's storms, its changing rings, and its enigmatic moons remind us how much there is still to learn. Saturn remains a powerful symbol of cosmic wonder, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lies beyond our world. It invites us to look deeper, to solve its puzzles and to learn its truths. Every glimpse through a telescope is a step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we explore, Saturn reminds us of the wonders that await when we dare to look beyond our world. Its story is a testament to our curiosity and our drive to reach for the stars. The story of Saturn is far from over. With every new discovery, we are reminded that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of promise. Long before telescopes, ancient civilizations watched Saturn trace its slow path across the heavens. The Romans named it after Saturnus, their god of agriculture and time, a fitting choice for the slowest visible planet. The Greeks called it Cronus, ruler of the Titans and father of the gods, a symbol of time and authority. In Hindu astrology, Saturn is Shani, a deity who brings discipline and lessons through challenges. These stories show a universal human tendency to look to the heavens for meaning and guidance. Before science, mythology gave the cosmos its meaning. Saturn became a symbol of time, destiny, and the cycles of life. These myths are the first chapter in our ongoing story of exploring this magnificent world. The names and legends reveal our deep connection to the universe. For countless generations, Saturn was nothing more than a golden dot in the night sky, a mysterious wanderer among the stars, inspiring myths and curiosity across cultures. That changed in 1610, when Galileo Galilei turned his primitive telescope toward Saturn, forever altering our view of the cosmos. Through his lens, Galileo saw strange ears flanking the planet, shapes that baffled him as he struggled to make sense of what he observed. Decades later, Christian Huygens, using a more advanced telescope, realized those ears were actually a thin, flat ring encircling Saturn, a revelation that changed astronomy. Huygens also discovered Titan, Saturn's largest moon, opening a new chapter in our understanding of the planet and its complex system of satellites. Giovanni Cassini, another pioneering astronomer, later identified the Cassini division, a dark gap in the rings, and discovered several more of Saturn's moons, deepening the mystery. Each discovery revealed Saturn as a dynamic, ever-changing system, far more than just a planet with beautiful rings. the age of space exploration brought a revolution. Robotic explorers like Pioneer and Voyager flew past Saturn, capturing breathtaking images and data, but it was the Cassini-Huygens mission that truly transformed our knowledge. Cassini orbited Saturn for 13 years, sending back a treasure trove of discoveries about the planet, its rings and its diverse moons, unveiling secrets hidden for centuries. It revealed a world more complex and wondrous than we ever imagined, with storms raging across its surface and intricate patterns in its rings. Saturn's mysteries, once barely glimpsed through crude telescopes, became vivid realities through the eyes of our spacecraft. Our view of Saturn has evolved, from ancient myth to scientific marvel, from a distant wonder to a close-up world of discovery. Each step brought us closer to understanding this ringed giant. And as we continue to explore, Saturn's story is far from over. The journey of discovery goes on. To grasp Saturn's scale, imagine Earth as a grape. Saturn would be a giant grapefruit. Over 760 Earths could fit inside Saturn. Despite its size, Saturn is mostly hydrogen and helium, making it less dense than water. It would float if you could find a big enough bathtub. Saturn has no solid surface. It's a massive ball of gas and liquid. Its surface gravity is only slightly stronger than Earth's, thanks to its low density. Saturn spins rapidly. A day lasts just 10.7 hours, causing it to bulge at the equator. A year on Saturn equals nearly 30 Earth years. These differences highlight the diversity of our solar system. Saturn's story is one of grand scale and surprising lightness. It's a world of extremes unlike anything on Earth. Each planet has its own rules and environment. Saturn's uniqueness continues to fascinate us. Saturn's serene bands hide a world of violent weather. Winds near the equator reach up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, 4 times faster than Earth's strongest hurricanes. These jet streams create Saturn's colorful bands, shaped by chemicals and ice crystals. At the North Pole, a massive 6-sided storm, the hexagon, spans wider than Earth itself. Saturn's seasons last over 7 Earth years, bringing dramatic changes and massive storms called Great White Spots. The Cassini spacecraft watched one of these storms evolve, revealing the planet's powerful climate. Saturn radiates more than twice the energy it receives from the Sun, powered by internal heat and helium rain deep inside. This internal energy drives its wild weather and fierce winds. Saturn's atmosphere is a dynamic, ever-changing system. Its storms and patterns are unlike anything else in the solar system. The planet's weather remains a captivating mystery. Beneath Saturn's clouds there's no solid surface, just increasing pressure and temperature as you descend. Hydrogen gas becomes liquid, then transforms into liquid metallic hydrogen under immense pressure. This metallic hydrogen generates Saturn's powerful, uniquely aligned magnetic field. The field creates a vast magnetosphere, protecting Saturn's moons and rings from solar wind and producing stunning auroras. At Saturn's core lies a dense, hot mix of rock and ice, possibly 10 to 20 times Earth's mass. Temperatures may exceed 11,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the Sun's surface. This core is the seed around which Saturn formed billions of years ago. The heart of Saturn is a place of unimaginable extremes. It powers the planet's magnetic field and internal heat. Saturn's hidden depths remain one of its greatest mysteries. Saturn's rings are a cosmic masterpiece, vast, bright, and incredibly thin. Up close, they're made of countless icy particles, from dust grains to mountain-sized chunks. The rings stretch over 280,000 kilometers wide but are only about 10 meters thick. Their structure is shaped by gravity, with gaps like the Cassini division carved by Saturn's moons. Tiny shepherd moons keep the rings in narrow bands, while strange features like spokes appear and vanish. The rings' age is still debated. Cassini data suggests they may be just 10 to 100 million years old. They could be the remains of a shattered moon or comet, torn apart by Saturn's gravity. We may be living in a special era to see the rings at their brightest. The rings are a record of cosmic history and ongoing change. Their beauty and mystery continue to inspire. Saturn is orbited by at least 146 known moons, each a unique world with its own story to tell. These moons range from tiny, irregularly shaped rocks to massive planet-like bodies, making Saturn's system one of the most diverse in our solar neighborhood. Titan, the largest of Saturn's moons, stands out with its thick nitrogen atmosphere and vast methane lakes. An Earth-like world, but with chemistry that is truly alien. Its orange haze and surface rivers of liquid methane make it a fascinating place for scientists searching for life's building blocks. The Huygens probe made history by landing on Titan, sending back images of ancient riverbeds and icy stones. These discoveries hint at a possible subsurface ocean, raising questions about what might lie beneath Titan's frozen crust. Enceladus, a small but remarkable icy moon, erupts with dramatic plumes from a hidden ocean beneath its surface. These plumes contain water, organic molecules, and possibly even hydrothermal vents, conditions that could support life. These extraordinary conditions make Enceladus a prime candidate in the search for life beyond Earth, drawing the attention of scientists and future missions alike. Mimas, with its enormous Herschel crater, is instantly recognizable and famously resembles the Death Star from science fiction. Iapetus is another oddity, with one hemisphere bright as snow and the other dark as coal, coated by mysterious material likely originating from another moon. Each moon reveals a different chapter in Saturn's history and the dynamic processes shaping its system. Some moons may harbor the ingredients for life deep below their icy shells, while others are ancient, frozen relics from the dawn of the solar system. Saturn's moons form a diverse and intriguing family, each one adding a new layer to the planet's enduring mystery and beauty. Together, they are key to understanding not just Saturn, but the evolution of planetary systems throughout the cosmos. The search for life and new discoveries on Saturn's moons continues, inspiring future missions and our curiosity about the universe. Our quest to understand Saturn reached new heights with the Cassini-Huygens mission. Cassini orbited Saturn for 13 years, revealing the planet's storms, rings, and moons in detail. It discovered Enceladus's geysers, Titan's methane lakes, and the complex structure of the rings. Cassini showed that moons far from the sun could have subsurface oceans, potential habitats for life. The mission ended with Cassini's dramatic plunge into Saturn, protecting the moons from contamination. Cassini's legacy inspires new missions like Dragonfly, a drone set to explore Titan's surface and chemistry. Each answer leads to new questions. What are the rings made of? Could life exist in Enceladus's ocean? What secrets lie beneath Titan's haze? The journey to understand Saturn is far from over. The ringed wonder still has many secrets to share. Our exploration continues, driven by curiosity and wonder.